Ever wished you could control a robot straight from your phone? Exploding head face with wide eyes and frown. Well, meet the mBot to your pocket-sized robot buddy that obeys your every tap. Today, I'll show you how to connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and make it move, flash, and spin like magic. No cables, no coding headaches, just pure fun. First, power on your mBot till you'll see its LED glow like it's waking up. Open the mBlock app on your phone, tap connect, choose Bluetooth, and wait for your robot to appear. Once you hit connect, listen for that beep. That's your mBot 2 saying, "I'm ready, let's go." Smiling face with sunglasses. Now, the fun begins. Tap those arrows on your screen and watch your mBot 2 roll forward, spin in circles, or zip around your table. You can change LED colors, play sounds, even crank up the speed if you're brave enough. And here's the coolest part, this same connection lets you start coding your robot. You can create your own moves, make it follow light, or even dance to music. So, if you're into tech, robotics, or just love making things move, this little bot is your perfect playground. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you'll make your mBot 2 do? Because this isn't just a robot, it's your first step into the future of fun. Robot face blue heart.